Hi there, welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today I have for you the review of the movie Tufan, the latest boxing movie from Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra has been known to make iconic movies. Rang De Basanti, Delhi 6, Bhag Milkha Bhag. His movie has been fabulous and his ability to conjure up stories and bind you with his storytelling has been phenomenal. So how does Tufan rate compared to his earlier movies? Let's find out. Here's a look at Tufan.
इम्तिहान तेरा है जो हम तेरा दिल में ही छुपा अपनी ताकत उसे तू बना आगे दीवार है चलना दुश्वार है एक ठोकर में उसको गिरा पर्वत को तोड़ दे दरिया को मोड़ दे सूरज निचोड़ दे
Tufan is basically a story about this ordinary street ruffian played by Farhan Akhtar and his taking to the sport of boxing like fish takes to water and how the sport transforms him into what he becomes later. The trials and tribulations that he goes through, the highs and lows, and eventually his redemption. So that's the essence of this movie. It's basically a fictional story about boxing as a sport and Farhan Akhtar's transformation from an ordinary street fighter into a champion boxer. Now, I will review this movie as 3 acts because that's the way I saw it and that's the way I enjoyed it. So, Act 1 is about the transformation of Farhan Akhtar from a street ruffian to a boxer. He is basically this, guy who works for a local don, beats up people on the street, and one fine day he actually ends up going to a small-time Parsi coach who's coaching boxers. And he gets introduced to this sport of boxing. He basically starts seeing Muhammad Ali videos and gets fascinated by it. But he believes that boxing is nothing but beating the pulp out of the opponent. He thinks that he has all the muscles and he has all the power and he can do that. And eventually when he learns that boxing is not about beating the pulp out of the opponent, it's basically the discipline and the ability to take the hits and the pain and come through as a winner, transforms him as a person. And that's the Act 1. And that in my mind is the most fascinating part of this movie. I would call Act 1 as the most engaging in the entire movie, where the transformation of Farhan Akhtar, the energy that he brings as he prepares for as he prepares himself for boxing, the physical exercise that he does, and there is this endearing sincerity about his performance, about his ability to transform himself and to take on the sport seriously, comes across very nicely. It actually pumps in adrenaline to you as you watch the movie. You yourself feel the energy as you're watching Farhan Akhtar take on the boxing in the first act. So first act is really, really engaging and you will enjoy it. Now as movie moves onto the second act, it's about romance. He basically falls in love with the doctor played by Mrunal Thakur, who is actually the daughter of the coach, Nana Prabhu played by Paresh Rawal, who coaches Farhan Akhtar. Now Paresh Rawal is shown as a staunch Hindu person who doesn't like Muslims because he has a grudge against them because his wife, in a very brief role played by Sonali Kulkarni, gets killed in a terrorist attack. So he hates them. But he agrees to coach Farhan Akhtar, who is a Muslim, because he sees potential in him. But that doesn't mean that he's accepting the romance between his daughter and him, and how that fallout of that romance and Mrunal Thakur getting out of her father's house, eventually marrying Farhan Akhtar and living a family life is all about second part. So it touches out this social messages around love jihad, and how it affects the people in love and how it affects the communities forms the second part of the movie, and that in my mind is a bit of a drag. The second part basically looks quite prolonged. This entire family thing drags on for far too long, and it has all the other elements around match fixing. Farhan Akhtar basically is struggling for money to settle with Mrunal Thakur, so he gets into match fixing, gets banned for 5 years. So it has all the kind of masala that comes in, which really slows down the movie and breaks the momentum. So it basically was a disappointment for me, the entire second act. And then eventually the third act, which is the redemption of after the 5-year ban, how Farhan Akhtar is now allowed to box, but he's completely out of shape. He doesn't believe that boxing is there for him anymore. The boxing days are behind him. But Mrunal Thakur actually insists that he should fight boxing again and win his respect back. And then eventually a tragedy befalls, and how Farhan Akhtar takes a tragedy in a positive way to fight back and win his respect forms the last part of the movie, the redemption part of it, where he goes on to fight at the national championship. Now the third act does bring the energy back into the movie. The boxing scenes are very well choreographed. You get a good sense of the energy as you watch those boxing matches, but it doesn't have the tension, the gripping tension that you expect from boxing movies like we have seen in Rocky or Creed, where towards the end of the movie, as those final boxing matches come, you're really tense. You're on the edge of your seat. You're almost feeling the blood flowing through your veins. You almost feel like you want to be in the ring yourself to beat the opponent. You don't get that feeling as you watch this movie. Somehow there's a bit of a detachment as you see towards the end. You don't get that same sense of belongingness, the same sense of being part of the movie and invested in that movie as much as you would have expected. So I would say while the energy comes back in the third act, it is not the same as you would have expected from boxing movies that you have seen in the past. But overall, a good, decent one-time see, barring the slowness in the Act 2 and a little bit of a disappointment towards the end in terms of the tension and grip that you expected. Overall, it's still a very good movie to watch. I think a one-time see for sure. Farhan Akhtar is the energy of the movie. He is the sole reason that you should enjoy this movie, because his performance of how he transforms himself into a boxer is phenomenal. And as I said, there is an endearing sincerity about his performance that you'll enjoy. Mrunal Thakur ably supports him. She's quite charming, but emotional scenes, I think she struggles. I think she needs to get a lot more experience to handle emotional scenes, but otherwise, a good performance by her. Paresh Rawal, solid as ever. Is the staunch Hindu guy who is a no-nonsense coach who basically believes in the discipline of boxing and how he trains Farhan Akhtar to be a good boxer. He's done his performance very well. Well supported by Mohan Agashe and Supriya Pathak. Good to see them on the screen after a long time. They have bit roles, but quite engaging. And Hussein Dalal, the sidekick playing to Farhan Akhtar, this Tapori guy, he brings a lot of energy in Act 1. This sidekick and his fast dialogue delivery really bring a smile on your face when you watch his performance. So overall, all the characters have performed well, but the real heart of the movie, the real performance is Farhan Akhtar. And for his performance, I think you should go and see this movie for one time for sure. So the movie is available on Amazon Prime. Go, do check it out, Tufan, and enjoy. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I look forward to bring more interesting reviews for you. Do take care of yourselves. Till next time, bye-bye.